to talk to vaccine-hesitant people. Listen to their concerns without judgment. Share your own experience of being vaccinated. Have fact-based answers ready for common misconceptions. What they say. The vaccine was made too quickly. How you respond. Governments invested billions of dollars to develop the vaccines because of the urgency of the pandemic and high death rates. Top scientists from around the world collaborated and worked non-stop, building on years of vaccine research from other coronaviruses. Thousands of volunteers stepped up to enroll in vaccine trials, which greatly sped up the process. What they say. The vaccines aren't safe. How you respond. The vaccines were tested on thousands of volunteers before being administered to the public. Over 214 million and counting people have been fully, safely vaccinated in the U.S. Severe allergic reactions are extremely rare. Vaccines provide strong protection against serious illness and death from COVID. What they say. Vaccinated people are still getting COVID. How you respond. No vaccine is 100% effective, but most vaccinated people will not get COVID. Only a small percentage will become infected and get sick. This is called a breakthrough infection. For these people, the vaccine still provides strong protection against serious illness and death. Unvaccinated people are far more likely to get COVID and are at higher risk for severe illness. What they say, I have a strong immune system and don't need to be vaccinated. How you respond. COVID is a novel virus, which means that our bodies don't have existing antibodies to defend against it. What they say, I always wear a mask. I don't need the vaccine. How you respond, great, but being vaccinated will give you far more protection. It will not only protect you, it will protect those around you. Don't be discouraged. You may need to have more than one conversation with your reluctant friends or loved ones to make a meaningful impact. If someone is hostile in their resistance or lost in conspiracy theories, just say, have a nice day, and walk away. There are others more open to hearing the facts. For more information, visit the link on this slide or in the description box below.